Hi, Warren Lashmar of Knight Frank, Tasmania. I am absolutely thrilled to present to you this fantastic offering at 10 Nelson Avenue in wonderful Kingston. Spacious, open plan, large bedrooms, a double garage underneath, fully landscaped, and so much parking for the cars, the boat or the caravan. What a great home in a good area with water glimpses, showing great value. Whatever you do, call me, Warren Lashmar of Knight Frank, as soon as you can.